Guys, in this video I will show you how to add effects to your videos using the InShot app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, to add effects to your videos, you have to open your video project in InShot and then go to filters, which is the fifth icon on the list. And when you go to filters, actually you will see three options, not just filters: effects, filters, and adjustments. So to add effects, we have to tap on the effects section, and here you will have more categories that you can choose from, but you should know that there are some of them are paid effects and some of them are for free. As you can see now, the basic effects are for free, so you can use it. There is a slow zoom, there is a jump zoom, there is a zoom out, treble, trill, and roll. You can set the value of these effects. How hard do you want to use it? As you can see, if I increase the value, it shakes more. If I decrease it, it goes slower. The same thing with the zooms. If I increase it, it zooms in even more. If I decrease it, it zooms just a little. And yeah, to see the other effects, as you can see, there are the glitch, noise, TV, RGB, and other effects. As you can see, these are all already pro features. Not all of them. I mean, the RGB is for free, the glitch is free. So yeah, there are a few free effects that you can use. But another thing that you should know is that the paid version is not that expensive, so you can consider paying for it. Not a very expensive subscription, but yeah, you can see there are free ones almost in every category. As you can see, this one is free, so you can for sure create content using the free version. This one is free as well. And there are a few effects that you can use if you follow them on Facebook or YouTube or TikTok. I saw other features that were logged for users only if you, as you can see, here is another one. If you follow them on Instagram, you can get this feature. Yeah, and for some of the features, as I already showed you, there is this value section, and if it's a specific feature, you can change these specifications for it. For example, for the roll, you can choose the how hard the roll is. As you can see, this is just only one spin. This is like multiple, and this is very fast. So yeah, when you apply your effects, let's apply one, then you can move it. You can increase the length of your effect. You can move it to another place. You can even move it to another video section. Let's see if I want to place it on this video. I can. You can shorten it like this. You can make it longer. You can duplicate it. If you tap on this icon, it will duplicate it. You can delete it by tapping on the delete, and you can also split your effect if you want a split part, so you don't want to see it here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.